Hey guys, how's it going? Ghosty Rich here today, and today I'm going to quickly show you what to do if you've just picked up an iPhone and you used to have an Android, or you're having problems getting your new phone to receive your messages. Now, you might be sending out text messages, your friend gets your text messages, but if they respond to them, you don't get the message. So, let's quickly show you what to do. First thing you want to do is click Messages. Then click the three dots up here and go to Settings. After you do so, you'll see Chat Features. Now, I'm going to try and cover that because that's my phone number. But see where it says Enable Chat Features? You want to turn that off. When you turn that off, what's going to happen? I'm going to move my phone for a second. All you do is you hit that so it's no longer enabled. And then all of a sudden, as you can see, I was trying to do this with my brother and he was having problems with it, and you can see the text messages have changed color and now he's receiving my text messages. So make sure you turn that off. That's part of the new RC chat through Android, and if you don't do that properly, your new phone will not receive messages. You can send them, your other party will receive them, but when you send a reply, it will just go to your old phone even without the SIM card, because it's sending it through online, not through your network. And it's actually designed so that way you don't get charged for text messages, which is both cool, yet not the best thing for when you're switching over if you don't understand how to disable it on your old phone, so that way it would correct it. Now, if you are setting up one for your Android, and you're like, oh man, now what? Now you would go back to the other one and make sure your phone number is updated. Now, quick thing too, this doesn't happen instantaneously. It might take a minute or two. That's what it did at first. We disabled that. It didn't quite go through right away. And then I sent a couple messages afterwards, as you can see, 3 minutes later, and they all went through. Just some quick things. Hope this fixes your problem.